Yeah, I was recently watching a cooking competition show, and after the hard fought battle was over and the winners were declared that would go into the next round, I saw something absolutely amazing. The contestant that was just judged to be eliminated from the competition was offered to stay on to help one of the other contestants. To me, this showed an extreme level of class in this individual. That after being eliminated, was professional enough to offer assistance even though it was not needed. This was a huge learning lesson for me and proved that you should always try to be a class act by offering help even when it's not needed. By doing this, it shows the amount of class that you have. You know, anyone can just stand around and watch others struggle or work. For the most part, there are people that don't ask for help, even require your help or assistance, but it's up to you to show how much of a class act you are by at least offering it anyway. Alright, thanks for watching. Please visit my website, terrythompson.me. There you will find my books about life and leadership, to include my latest book, How to Live Your Best Year Ever in 2019, which you can get absolutely for free. We'll see you there.